All right, so today I bring you a prompt that is quite long, but all you need to do is copy and paste it and give it a reference, okay? So I'm going to show you, the effect is pretty cool, so I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to use this hero section for that. Now, this hero section was also one prompt. If you have not seen that free video, make sure that you go to my YouTube. I have the free video and the free prompt right there to create something like this with a copy and paste. But now let's go ahead and do something else. So let's recreate the hero section to be a left and right column. Okay. Done. Okay, so this is the first thing I want to do because I want to add the image, a different image, and I'm going to do the following. I'm going to look for coffee images, like a product or something. It could be this. So let's open the image. This one is too small. Okay, so this one is good. Let's just save the image or take a screenshot. And now let's go back to the page. He's just rebuilding the hero section. And what we're going to do is, this is the image of reference. If you want to do this even better, what I would do is I would paste this image on the folder, on your project folder. And if you are wondering, what is the project folder, Pedro? I've never seen any of your videos. Then what I do to build projects, from simple ones to very complex ones, is I use VS Code that allows me to organize projects into project folders, add all the MD files, all the reference files, all the image files there, and then work around it so that you can see here I have all the files and I can search through them and I can simply redirect them to specific places and directions and images, okay? So that's a very, very cool hack that I don't see a lot of people doing, but I learned this from my wife. She's a developer and she just gave me this trick, which is very, very basic, but helps tremendously. So yeah, you could add it there and then copy the path URL to that and add it here. But I'm going to add just a screenshot because it works as well. For this, I'm using GPT-5.6 Sol. I haven't tested any of the other ones. I just use the Sol one, and I use medium or even light. It works. If you want something that is actually really, really important for you, I would go for high. Anything above high, to be honest with you, I've never tested it. I've never felt the need to test it. Yeah, so as far as I went, it was like high, and the quality high is fairly good. Okay, I never tested the other ones. Okay, so let's go ahead. And by the way, don't really worry too much about the typos. Let's go ahead and wait for this to be solved. Okay, there we go. Left and right, amazing. So this is the middle reference. Add it to the right side column. Remove what is there now. And adjust the page brand colors to fit the ones on this image. Okay, so we can send it. He's going to be here, and whenever the first finishes, he goes for the second one. Okay, so he just finalized the first one and he went straight to the next, as I mentioned. Now let's wait for that to be set and done. All right, and there it is. We have adjusted branding and we have the image. So now what we want to do is we want to copy the prompt. So the prompt is here, but I want this one here. And send it and then set it again. Okay, so this one is quite long. I probably could get this half the size, but it just works. So now we just need to wait. This thing needs to go. The background is good. Everything here is good. There's a few things that we could optimize, of course. But anyway, let's go ahead, just send the prompt, and let's wait for the results. All right, there we go. So now we have some cool effects on the image. We have some background effects, parallax effects. We have these elements there. They're customized, and it just works. Probably also works on mobile right away. Let me see. Oh, we cannot do it because, yeah, because we would need to have more on the bottom. But anyway, so that's a cool effect that you can do with just one prompt and an image reference. Hope you like it. I'm bringing a lot more to this. Depending on where you're watching, you have the prompt below, I would say. It just depends on where you're watching. Go find the prompt, go check my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.